Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medchem Companion channel. Again, today in this session we will discuss about the chemoprophylaxis of influenza. So influenza is commonly known by the name flu. Its common name is flu, and it is actually a respiratory system disorder, that is, it affects nose, throat and lungs. The influenza infection resolves on its own, and the people which are at higher risk during this influenza infection are young children under the age of 5 years and adult people which is older than age of 65 year. The common symptoms which occurs in the patient during influenza infection are fever, headache, dry persistent cough, shortness of breath, runny or stuffy nose, tiredness and weakness, and last your sore throat. So this is all about your general information regarding influenza infection. Now we will discuss about the medicinal agent used to treat the influenza infection. Chemoprophylaxis of influenza is achieved by using two different category of drugs. The first category of drugs is agents inhibiting virus attachment, virus penetration and virus replication to the host cell. And the chemical which is used for this purpose is known by the name adamantanamines. And there are two derivatives which comes under this adamantanamines class. The first one is your amantadine. And amantadine have following structure. And the second drugs which comes under this adamantanamines class is rimantadine. Rimantadine has following structure. So these are the two drugs which is used in the chemoprophylaxis of influenza. Now we will move on to the second class. Second class of drug available for chemoprophylaxis of influenza is neuraminidase inhibitor. So neuraminidase is an enzyme which helps in the penetration of virus into the host cell. So the drugs which inhibit this neuraminidase enzyme, then the virus is unable to penetrate the host cell, and thus influenza will not spread at all. So the best drugs which is available in this category is, the first one is your zanamivir. And zanamivir have following structure. So this is the structure of zanamivir. Now the second drugs which is available as a neuraminidase inhibitor is oseltamivir. And oseltamivir have following structure. So this is all about your neuraminidase inhibitor, and these are the two agents which are used generally in the chemoprophylaxis of influenza. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.